Hi guys, welcome to my Mona kitchen. Today I show you how to make asparagus creamy soup. So we have put asparagus, cutting, butter, celery, onion, garlic, thyme and rosemary, Parmesan cheese, parsley, beef bacon, black pepper and salt. So we are starting. We put some butter, then little bit milk, then we put the onion, put garlic, rosemary and thyme, put celery stick, mixing very well. Now we have put all the ingredients. This soup very healthy and very for the child also good. We put the salt, black pepper, now we have put the water and we keep boiling, little bit mixing. So almost done. We will make blender. Now we will make creamy and we add now cooking cream. So done with now plating. So our done. Now we will keep it in the some grilled beef bacon, put in the top, Parmesan cheese, some fan parsley, and together veggie stick with flavor and lemon. And at the top we have put the asparagus for garnishing. Thank you so much for watching.